Okay, we have two right across there.
Okay, welcome back. We are finally in Castle Darning, and we're just trying to figure out what's going on all around us. There's a big force of the Green Army trying to push into the Alamo, which is off in the distance there.
Down here, right here.
DMR. Hey, come on, come right here.
Well, all five ones here. Well, here.
This is the first real shooting we have a chance at. So these guys are way far out there, out of our range. But like I said, we haven't shot yet, so we're just throwing some BBs out there. You never know.
The dude that's cracked to the right of that barrier.
These guys moving into the Alamo, those are bad guys. Our guys are to the left.
This is a bit new the way I run my gun. I like the 5-round burst, and with this Milsim, no drum clips, no flash mags, mid caps only and semi only. We're allowed 2 machine guns on our team. I believe we're allowed 1 DMR as well.
Yeah, so just do what you're doing because that's keeping them from coming at you.
Hey, they're not even looking.
People are moving in.
That bang you just heard is not a grenade, it's an air cannon. And they set that up right in front of the castle. So you'll hear that going off all day.
Hey, it's Tom. Can you guys probe out a little towards Alamo? You guys see anything on the right?
No, we have guys right here.
Yuki, how's the right?
There's green. There's a lot of green moving right. A lot of dead green. A lot of dead are walking off.
Those are us.
Here's a shot of Coop probing up a little bit. I'm trying to get better at pointing at stuff with my zoom cam, because obviously you can't see much. So the zoom cam helps out a lot.
They all got nailed.
Okay, here's the flag.
All 5 of the main bases have these flags set up, and usually multiple flags. I think there's 4 in the castle. So you got to flip all those, and when they have the scheduled scoring, you have to have all of them to get the points for that base.
All right, let me get back in.
Okay, cool. We'll get the ball.
The other team's trying to make a push on the front of the castle, so I move into one of these center towers. Really nice, you can see a long ways.
Hey, Greg, they're pushing hard on this corner. Up the corner where you are.
Yep. I'm up in the center tower. Yep. Hey, coming in under the tape right there.
They're everywhere, just a little out of their range.
Steve, keep an eye over there. Looks like 2 dead coming off that way. Steve, 2 dead green coming off to your right.
Hang tight there. We need to hold this side. You guys are like the 2 on this side. They could real easy come through the brush at us here, so.
Hey, moved up into that V tree there. Moving again, moving again.
I don't think we had a guy in that corner tower. We probably should have. They would have got a better shot than I'm getting here. We actually have a guy that's dead out there, so we threw a smoke to try and go get him. I'm pretty sure we got him in. They kept sending a guy here and there, and we kept shooting them. As you'll see in later videos, once a team gets into a stronghold, it's very hard to get them out. They had one guy make a long run across to that bunker there. I don't think he made it, but he was there for a little bit.
All right, that guy's out.
Okay, the big push is over on the front side, so I'm making my way back to the back corner where Steve-O is. Just keep an eye out, because their spawn station is off to my right. Alright, stay tuned for the next one.